portal has been helpful for mentoring. Can you talk to that?
Oh yes, it is. It is fantastic. When I came out, I mean, I'm working now 15 years already. I'm in your membership group portal since January this year. I stumbled over the Chapman's Reflex course, over the FHT article, then looked up in YouTube, and I find it really amazing. And then in the end, I could, how do you say it? In the end, I could get the and in the end, I could get the FHT to accredit your course, your online course, and was able to do it that way. And from the online course, I found your portal, and I thought it's not expensive. I try it, and it's fantastic. It's the best value I've ever got. You do mentoring. You are always there when I need you. I can text you or message you. We can do things. You do several times, and Ask Me Anything group in the month, which is and I can ask you anything. I've had so many fantastic tips. I haven't got the time to go. Oh, I do go in the internet, but you end up in YouTube everywhere and anywhere and waste so much time on trying to find the right things. And I mean, with you, I'm once or twice a month there, or sometimes 3 times a month on Zoom. I can ask you, you give me direct answers or techniques and really good ideas. I've helped so many people now with these techniques, and it's fantastic. I really feel looked after, to be honest.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. What you could do is you could hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And when you're ready to take the next step, why don't you click the link below and get into more information about my mentorship program. And I'll see you on the other side.